Okay, we've made it to Delhi. We're gonna get off the plane here. Oh, sorry. Okay. We're here. It is September 30th, 2022. Let's see, what do we got going on here? So there's international transfers. Sorry, I had to ask the question. So here's domestic transfers, immigration, baggage, exit.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right. Foreign passport e-visa. I didn't know they did e-visa. Let's see. Okay, so we're here at the baggage now. The line was very quick, but they did ask a lot of questions or review a lot of documents. Probably took about 5 minutes for the immigration official to process, but there wasn't much of a line, so that's a good thing. It's a bit intimidating going through. I think that's common in most countries, I suppose. It's not ideal for the traveler, but it's common. It's a beautiful airport, though. Very modern, from what I can tell. And before you go to baggage, there's one more stop, it looked like. Well, there is. You just have to show your stamp. Here we are at duty. Alright. I actually had to check my bag, and even though I'm backpacking, because it was over 7 kilograms. Although I saw people with carry-on baggage that was well over 7 kilograms. So I don't know why they made us get slowed down for the 7 kilogram rule. But that happened in Abu Dhabi. So I am doing a baggage pickup, even though I usually just backpack it. Let's see here, they got a money exchange. I'm gonna need an eSIM probably. Priority baggage. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Here's the baggage. See if I can find it. Okay. Through the airport we go. I would say it took around 25 minutes for the luggage to get to the baggage claim. Now I look for an ATM and eSIM. Do they? Good. Alright, I think there's an eSIM right here. Let's see. Is that money exchange? Okay, so let me fill you in about what happened after I went to that eSIM. So what ended up happening was I ended up getting a pocket Wi-Fi. They didn't have eSIM at the airport, at least not at this international concourse. They say you can get it out in town, but I ended up with a Airtel pocket Wi-Fi. It costs $40 and it basically works all month. I asked him if it ever expired and he seemed to say no, so it seems like I get 2 gigabytes per day. The next thing I wanted to say was when I stepped outside of the airport, someone said, hey, you can't film outside here. So I said, okay, fine, I won't film outside here. So I didn't get to film that. When I got to the hotel, I was so tired after all of the travel that I didn't actually film inside the hotel. So I decided to show you what it looks like kind of around Delhi at this point. Overall, I would say that it was a pretty smooth arrival. It was just a long flight from Abu Dhabi, lots of waiting at the airport, and then getting all situated and everything. Overall, not a very difficult experience. The Delhi airport is fairly dated though, I will say that. And on that note, I'll see you guys on the next one.